Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you subscribe, press that like button, and turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2019 Ford Transit cargo van. This vehicle's stock number is going to be 69415. And as you guys can tell, we are working with our medium roof long wheelbase cargo van. This does have a GVWR of 8,600 pounds. This also has a 25-gallon gasoline tank. And as you guys can also tell, we do have a 9-foot clearance for the vehicle. I'll go ahead and show you guys our tires. Our tires are in amazing condition. And along with our tires, we do like to paint our chassis. This just helps prevent any kinds of rust from forming underneath our vehicle. With a head-on view of the cargo area, this is what it looks like with our doors. Right above the doors, we do have our backup camera. So that's nice. Now I'll go ahead and open up these doors and show you guys the inside of the cargo area. And with the cargo doors now open, this is what the view looks like. As you guys can tell, we do have our grab handles right along the side. And then we also have one over there towards the sliding door. In here, we do have a length of 10.2, a width of 5'8", and a height of 6 feet. Our opening width is going to be 5'1", with our opening height being 5'7". And then as you can tell, we also have our bulkhead partition in the way back with our tie-down hooks along the sides. And I'll go ahead and give you guys a view from the actual sliding door. With our sliding door open, this is what it looks like. Obviously our grab handle, our bulkhead partition area, and then the inside of our cargo van. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys a quick view of what it looks like going inside our cabin. At our steering wheel itself, on the dash, you do see that it has 125,321 miles. This is what it looks like. Over to the left side of that, we do have our powered locks, windows, side mirrors, a cup holder, second storage cup holder container, and then this is where you would access your headlights, so you turn this on or off as needed. Over to the right side of that, we do have our side mirror heater, which is right here, and then we also have our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, Cyrus, CD player, and aux cord. Now moving right below that is where you would find our AC and our heater. These work amazing. Right now the weather's been so on and off, so they both come in handy. And they're both very powerful and they work really nice. Now, as I showed you guys outside, our clearance is 9 feet. And then right above the seating area, we do have our overhead storage, which is nice, along with our sun visors. Obviously, it's a 2-seater with the open middle that leads straight towards the back through our bulkhead partition area. Obviously, we do have our backup camera, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what our engine looks like. Dash Trucks likes to ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned. So I want you guys to take a quick look at our 3.7-liter V6 engine. This engine does hold 275 horsepower, and it also has a 6-speed automatic transmission. And that will wrap it up for today's 2019 Ford Transit medium roof cargo van. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you check out the description below. Feel free to give us a call or text us. Our sales team are amazing people and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website as well. That is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Feel free to check out that small information snippet. I'll be writing everything I spoke about in the video just for you guys. I hope to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys around in the next one.